Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable of our lecturer in this course, Dr. Siti Nurfaida SPD MED, and my beloved friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Jayanti. I am from English Education Department. Today, I will present my research proposal entitled Exploring EFL Learners Problem-Focused Coping Mechanism in dealing with speaking anxiety in the classroom. Speaking is a vital skill in EFL learning, yet learners often experience anxiety that hinders communication. In global context, this anxiety stems from classroom a fear of mistake, low confidence, and negative evaluation. In Indonesian context, students also struggle with classroom pressure, limited exposure, and fear of judgment. So, the gap of this study is, while many explore the cases, few examine how EFL learners use cope using problem-focused mechanism, especially in Indonesian context. This research is guided by a core question. What are the problem-focused coping mechanisms used by EFL learners to manage speaking anxiety? And the learning objective of this study is to explore the problem-focused coping mechanism used by EFL learners to manage speaking anxiety in classroom context. This study will adopt Lazarus and Volkmann theory about coping theory, especially problem-focused coping mechanism, which refers to strategies at solving the cause of stress. I will use Horwitz et al. Theory of Foreign Language Anxiety, 1986, which described three major sources such as communication apprehension, test anxiety, and fear of negative evaluation. The design of the study of the research will use qualitative approach to explore learners' personal experience and coping mechanism. I will conduct my research at an Islamic university in Kendari, Southeast Sulawesi, involving students who had completed academic speaking course. The participant will choose through purposive sampling with specific criteria. The first, they must have to hide speaking anxiety based on an adaptive FLCES. And the second, they have willing to share their coping strategies. And the main instrument of this study will use semi-structured interview. The data collection of this study will use semi-structured interviews to explore learners' coping strategies by Lazarus and Volkmann theory. And the data will be analyzed using Brown and Clark theory for thematic analysis through inductive coding, focusing on pattern of learners' anxiety triggers and coping strategies guided by Lazarus and Volkmann 1984. Volkmann 1984. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope this research will help teachers and students understand how EFL learners in dealing with speaking anxiety using problem-focused coping strategies such as preparing, practicing, and seeking help. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.